In this video, I'm going to show you how to add realistic light using Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The first step is to convert the image into a smart object. So right click on the layer and then click Convert to Smart Object. We are doing this so that we can be able to make changes to the effects that we are going to apply anytime we feel like. Then click on Filter, Render, and then select Lighting Effects. Now this that you are seeing is a spotlight, but what we need here is a point light. So under the Properties panel, click on this drop down and select Point. Now this is our point light and we are able to move it. And to scale this light, point at the circle. If it turns yellow, you can click and drag to scale it to the size that you want. Then you can adjust the intensity from here, or you could simply use the intensity slider up here. So it's all the same thing. Then you're also able to control the exposure to your liking. You can also adjust the gloss, which is the same as the shine. So make these adjustments to your liking. You don't need to copy these values, you just try them out and see the best result for you. Then you can also adjust the metallic value. And if you're wondering what the metallic slider does, then you should know that it determines which is more reflective, the light or the object on which the light is cast. Then one other thing we can do is to apply a tint to the overall image. And we can do that by clicking on Colorize, then pick a color of our choice. So let's pick something bluish. So as you can see, the change is not visible, and that is simply because we have to play around with the ambience values. So after picking the color, then you can go ahead and click OK. Then come to the ambience slider and move it a bit. You can see the tint is being applied. So you can also play around with this slider until you get what you're looking for. Also, if you don't understand what the ambience slider does, then you should know that it diffuses the lights as if it were combined with any other light source in the image or in the room. And that could be the sun, that could be the moon, or any other artificial light. Now to change the color of this light, you can just click on color and pick any other color of your choice. Let's say we wanted this color. Click OK. Then boom, you have another color. So if you're done with everything, you can just go ahead and click OK. So this is our light. So you can check the before and then after. Now since our image is a smart object, if you want to make any other adjustments, let's say you wanted to change the color of the light to something else, what you have to do is just come here and double click on lighting effects, and it will take you back to the exact same settings that you left behind. So you're able to make more adjustments, do whatever you like. Then when you make changes, you can just go ahead and click OK once again. I'll be making another in-depth tutorial about lighting effects because it's really wide and it's really important, especially when it comes to composition and manipulations. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and to our lovely subscribers, thank you so much. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. So thank you once again. See you next time.